Hi everyone, this is a video about this digital alarm clock that it says voice control backlight LCD clock. That we have to talk about that as it is not very effective, but it says tap the desk, the backlight of the calendar will turn on. Calendar, it means, the clock. Well, I mean, it's made in China, but it has a reasonably good instruction manual and so on. So it has hour and minutes display, month and date display, calendar for 100 years, user selectable Celsius and Fahrenheit temperature format, alarm clock, which it has 6 annoying melodies for waking you up and 2 buzzers, and use the 2 AAA batteries, which is good, but I don't think it's gonna last long. Alarm with music, those are the music that I told you, and the model number is DS-8083 made in China. And there is nothing else somewhere else. It comes in silver and black, and here, if you want, you can pause and see what this machine can do. It's too tiny for me to read, but we are going to talk about all of that later. So I get everything out of the box before I say that this item normally was sold, I better say, for about between 15 to 20 pounds, and now is reduced to under 6 pounds. And fast shipping and so on is really good if someone wants to have a clock that it has the date and the day of the week and temperature. Temperature is a little bit gimmicky, and this one also, it has some international clock as well that we are going to talk about this. So I get everything out of the box and we talk more. So when you get everything out of the box, obviously the batteries are not included. I have already installed 2 batteries in there just for the purpose of this video. And then you face with the stand that is all plastic, but it's not bad for 5 pounds. As you see, it just tapped the table and the light came on. You can turn that feature on and off, and this is the user manual that is very tiny, and in order to read this properly I took a picture of this and maximize it, and these are the international times that you can display if you want. And this is the user manual. I just go a little bit slow, and then you can pause and read. Anyhow, it comes with several languages, but most importantly for me, one of them is English. I have read this all, and we are going to talk about this more, so I'm gonna put this aside. But before I touch this, as you see, if you just touch the desk that this one is on, the light is coming on, but sometimes is doing it with vibration and the sound was the reason that this one came on. But again, if you touch this at any place, very gently even, the light is coming for about 5 seconds, but I don't think it's 5. We can count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 5 seconds. And then here we have 3 settings. This is the clock itself, and then when you press the mode, it goes to the alarm that you can set it up with just pressing the set and then set it up and choose one of those annoying 6 songs, melodies, and then this is the international, this is Chicago time, I don't know if it's right or not, and this is the temperature in Celsius. You can change this with if you press up and down in time, you can change different time places, LA. So for the purpose of this video, we leave it at that. And then when you are at the clock mode, if you press the Celsius and Fahrenheit, you can change this. And then you can change this by 24 and 24 and 12 hours, and then the set when you want to change the time and so on. And this is for the timer. It has a timer as well that you can set the timer by pressing the set and adjust the timing. This is supposed to be a short video, but you know, it's a really good one. But you know, there are some reasons that I have purchased this is because, you know, when this one stands at a distance, you cannot see anything because it's really dark, and then you have to just touch the light in order to see some of this. And these are very tiny. Again, if I put this, you know, on, this one, it just slides in there like so. That's it. Just goes in there. Let me just pause it and I just come back. Here it is. As you see, you cannot see anything until, you know, you touch the desk like so, or touch the body of this. With the vibration, the light is coming on, and I have to, you know, a little bit be aggressive like so. The light is coming on, but this one is also saying that if you clap your hands with the proximity of 1 meter, this light is coming on, and after 5 seconds it's going off. But in general, it's a very, considering the price, this is a very good clock for just under £6. And then at the back, you just have the battery compartment for just 2 AAA batteries, which is good. But I don't think it's going to last too long. And this is the snooze and light button, and this is for the activation of the touch light, and now is off and the other position is on. You see it's off now, and then when you turn it to the on, the light is coming on for 5 seconds, and that's it. And the melodies, there are 6 melodies and buzzer, 2 different buzzers, which is reasonable. But I was looking for a clock that you can turn the light on from the distance for, you know, when it's away from you, you just see them properly. But this one, unfortunately, you have to stay within 1 meter in order for the light to work, but it's good. Let me just show you the modes again. This is the time mode, and in this, if you press the set, you can go and set the time and the date, and that's really it. And then with the alarm, you press this set, and then you check the alarm, set the alarm, and then this is the international time. When you are in this, it just shows up the international time of every country that you have chosen up here, but it's very tiny, you have to be very close. And this is a desk clock, remember. And this is my desk, and if you see, the angle is not really good. If I put it on the side like this, this is just a distance of my length of my hand. and as you see it's totally dark unless I just touch it and I can see it. But I guess in the daytime you can see it a little bit better. But this is a short video about this alarm clock, which is rather good for the price, and I fully recommend this. And if you have any questions about this clock, give me a comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for your watching, and until my next video, take care of yourself and each other, and as always, have a great time.